Hello, my name is Brad, and I'm sending you this video to give you some free information on how to improve your website and be ranked in the top of Google and outranking your competitors out there. Again, this is free information that you can use. The first thing I would like to do is compliment you on your webpage. You got some really nice things going on here. It looks like you're connected out there in social media. You got pay your bill. If I remember, play something you had an area for hiring. Maybe not. I thought I saw something there, but maybe not. Anyhow, um, again, it looks like you got some good followers out there. Some good pictures of what you guys offer out there as well. Your cleaning services. So you do have quite a few things out there that you guys are doing, which is really good. You got your information right up here for the first thing that people see is how to contact you. Now I'd like to start talking about word content, how many words you have on your web page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy your URL up here. I'm going to go over here to this tool called Word Count. As you can see, it's a free word count. So you can basically download this from the internet, and what it does is tells you how many words you have in your web page. So you currently have 386 words on your website right now. I'm going to go over here to your competition, which is the Cleaning Authority, and I'm going to do the same thing, copy and paste and put their word count in the same thing. So you had 386, they have 942. Now they're a little bit closer to what Google is looking for. Google's looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on a website, which will keep you in good standing and also put you in the top rankings here. So where I'm at now is I went into the toolbar, which I'm sure you know how to use a toolbar. So I used a key word, which I'm going to get into real shortly here, which is cleaning in your business. Okay, if you sell pizza, I would have put pizza in here, and what that would have done is brought all this information up down here for pizza. But like I said, we're doing cleaning, so it brought up all the cleaning people. So as you can see, here's your competition right now. Okay, Cleaning Authority. And that's how I found your competition, just by typing in a keyword in the search bar. And you can see they're in the number one spot on an area called Map It. Okay. Now, you're not on here at all. I think I found you by searching and search more, and then I found you guys back here somewhere. There you are down here. Okay. So people normally don't go this far out to find what they're looking for. They pretty much stay on the first page. Um, Now down here is called the organic search area. According to Google, this is the place that people are going to click on after searching for something to find what they're looking for. So you can see right now, one thing is good, the Cleaning Authority, I haven't seen them pop up here. And again, I'm still not seeing them. I'm not seeing, here they are, Cleaning Authority right here. So they're about 3/4, almost at the bottom of the page, on the first page. And you can see I am on the first page here. I'm going to click on the second page just to see if I can find you guys. And I am not. By the way, do you know where the best place is to hide a dead body? It's on the second page of Google search, because nobody ever goes there to find what they're looking for. So again, I'm not seeing you guys on the second page either. So I'm just going to go back to this first page here. So with what I've seen so far, it's going to be very easily done to have you guys ranked in the number one spot here and the number one spot in this area. Now I'm going to go over to another tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is not a free tool like WordCount. This cost me about $200 a month. What this does, as you can see, I have your company in here, your URL right here. It tells me how many organic words you guys have. You have 69 organic words out there. And it's bringing your website about $157 per month with these organic words. Now, all organic words are not created equal. You have to have good organic words to bring the value up here and also to get ranked in these spots that I was referring to back here. So I'm going to go over here to your competition. As you can see, they only have 41 compared to your 69, I think it was. But we'll come back to that. But they only had 41 organic words. But you see the traffic value difference? $469. So that's about $300 more than what you guys are bringing in right now with your page. So I can see right away you can work on your organic words, make them better, bring this value up. I'm going to go over here to a company from Chicago, and I'm going to just show you what organic words can do for you. So they have 198 organic words, but see the traffic value that has coming in? I know it's Chicago, but they can only get out there and do so much as well, depending on how many employees they have. But they're bringing in $7,000 a month just from their web page. So by having good organic words, enough of them, and enough words on your web page, you guys could get pretty close to this, I'm pretty sure, especially up in Madison. Next, I'm going to talk about backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I know that sounds pretty complicated, but basically all it is a popularity contest. Here's how it'd be kind of like the guy in school who got the first Air Jordans when he was in high school. He came in the door and a couple people saw him. They told a couple more people. They told a couple more people. And by the end of the week, he was one of the more popular kids because of the fact that word of mouth and the fact that he had the new Air Jordans, he became very popular. And that's also how you get ranked here in popularity. One more thing that Google says about it, these links act like an endorsement of your business website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your website by seeing others vouching for you. Okay, so that's how you're going to get ranked right here with backlinks. I'm just going to come, yeah, you have 8 backlinks, but only actually 5 of them are referring back to you right now. I'm going to pop on that just to see who the people are that are referring back to you. Telegram. So you could use some better backlinks too. And again, this is very obtainable in your business. Excuse me. And again, your organic words. Excuse me. So again, you have 69 organic words. Your competition had 41. I'm just going to pop on that just to see a few of the organic words that's bringing them in more value. So again, remember, keywords are words that, well, looks like you guys have had some updates, are words that pertain to your business, like cleaners, Madison. See how they just changed things around here to ING and Madison services? So Madison cleaners, it's bringing in about 1.3 thousand volume of people searching through. You can see these other ones down here aren't doing too bad either, but your ranking isn't real good out there. Okay, or actually, this is your competition. I'm sorry. So they're using good keywords. So they got like cleaning, house cleaning, house cleaning, house cleaning, cleaning services. So you can see how good keywords makes a big difference. I'm gonna go back over here just to see a few of your organic words to see what you're using. And again, I'm just clicking on this organic keyword search right here. So this can drastically change for you guys if you get more words on your webpage. By adding more words to your website, it's going to give you the opportunity to add more keywords also. So you can see that you're not ranking real good higher here either. Where the other company, I think they're 5, 6, and 8 stuff. So again, you guys could easily outrank them here. So sparkling, sparkling, sparkling. So it sounds like you're using you guys' company. Office cleaning services, 100. Sparkling clean, 3.6. Madison, 350. So with this in mind, I'm going to close out here. But you can see, like I said, good keywords, organic keywords, is going to change this value for you as it did with your competition here. And by adding more backlinks to your web page is going to improve drastically as well. So again, if you want this to grow, work on your organic words, the type of organic words, and work on your backlinks. Those things are going to make a big difference in how people are going to discover you, and again, which is going to bring you in more income as I've shown you here. With this in mind, I'm going to close out now. I hope you found this information useful. If you would like more information about this, you can contact me by calling me at 574-2784, or I'm going to be sending this by email. You can just reply to the email to contact me as well. Again, this is free information for you to use on your own website, or if you'd like some help with it, I'm here to help at all times. I thank you for your